Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat glutathione tablets. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant naturally produced by your body, playing a crucial role in protecting cells from damage and supporting your immune system. Supplementing with glutathione tablets is a common way to boost your body's levels, especially when dietary intake might not be enough. Understanding the proper way to take these supplements ensures you get the most out of them for your health. When considering dosage, typical recommendations for glutathione tablets range from 250 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams each day. However, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the ideal dosage for your specific needs. For optimal absorption, many experts suggest taking your glutathione tablets on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning. To properly take your glutathione tablets, simply swallow them whole with a full glass of water. It is important not to chew or crush certain types, especially those that are enteric-coated or designed for sustained release, as this can affect their effectiveness. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking your supplement regularly as directed will help you achieve the best possible health benefits over time. Always store your glutathione tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. While generally well tolerated, if you experience any unusual side effects, it is important to report them to your doctor promptly. Remember, glutathione supplements are intended to complement your diet and healthy lifestyle, not replace the essential nutrients you get from a balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.